Merhaba. I'm in my favorite place in the world, kitchen. It is the place where I feel the most peaceful. For me, the kitchen is not just a place to cook. It is a place where I slow down, breathe, and feel present. So today I'm inviting you into my peaceful space. Let's slow down together, enjoy the process, and make something delicious. I'm going to show you how to make muhallebi. In a pot, rice flour, cornstarch, sugar, and I add half of the milk. Whisk well until everything is smooth. Then I add other half of the milk. I whisk well again. Cook over on medium heat while stirring constantly. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens and starts to bubble. I like adding the butter to extra flavor. This step is optional. We can switch the next step. It is very important for muhallebi. Muhallebi is not enough smooth and silky. I whisk it with this tool. This is the true silky mixture. Now, I rinse the serving bowl with the water so I can remove muhallebi easily. Now refrigerate for about 3 hours. Last step, serving time. You can serve your muhallebi like this. I cannot wait enough, but can I show? I will try. Yeah, I need time. Wow. Okay. Almost, but still looks good. Coconut flakes. Almond slice. I need the berry. It is ready. Muhallebi has been my favorite dessert since when I was a little girl. I still love both eating and making it for myself, my family, and my friends. In Turkey, there are around 10 main versions of muhallebi. But the best part is that you can create your own version with your favorite flavor. Mother Nature is so generous to us. Let's try it. It is perfect. Thank you for watching me. If you want to try muhallebi, please share your experience with me. I'll see you in my next video.